Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to claim Nodepay voucher code. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser and go to Nodepay official website, sign in into your account, and once you sign in, you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. So you have to click on your profile icon on the top right corner right here. Then here, as you can see here, you will find this sign or this icon right here. This means that your account is verified. Now, if you want to claim the voucher, click on claim voucher right here. Then this window will pop out. Just paste the codes right here. Then click on claim voucher button. And now when you go back to the home page and scroll down, you'll find out that here's your today's earnings and season earnings right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.